let's go through a volume of a sphere. So here's our sphere formula. So volume is equal to 4/3 times pi times r cubed. Let's have a go at working out the volume of this sphere here. It has a radius of 5 centimeters. So have a go. When you're ready, unpause the video and I'll give you the answer. Okay, once you've worked all that out, you should have a volume of 523.6 centimeters cubed. Let's just look at some ways questions will vary. So for example, they might give you the sphere here and they might tell you that the diameter is 10 centimeters. So look very carefully, that's all the way across, whereas the radius is from the center to the surface. So pause, have a go at finding the volume of this sphere. When you're ready, unpause. So in this case here, we've got the diameter, so we're going to have to divide that by 2. We know the radius is 5 centimeters. So we know we're doing exactly the same working out. So 4/3 times pi times 5 cubed, same answer, 523.6 centimeters cubed. It's the same because it's the same sphere. They've just given you the information differently. Different scenario here. So we've got a hemisphere and its diameter is 10 centimeters. So pause, have a go. When you're ready, unpause. So like before, we've been given the diameter. We've got to divide that by 2 because the formula uses the radius, and that's what we use. So we're going to start off 4/3 times pi times 5 cubed. So it's looking the same so far. And then at the very end, because we've got half of a sphere, it's a hemisphere, we're going to have to divide our answer by 2, and that's going to give us 262.8 centimeters cubed. Okay, that should have been a cube up there as well. Right, let's look at the next bit. So what they like to ask sometimes is if our sphere is put into a tight fitting box such that every bit of that surface is touching one of the faces on the inside of that box, how much empty space is left in the box? So pause, have a go at this question. When you're ready, unpause. So let's just begin with what's going on here. So our box has got to be 10 by 10 by 10 on the inside, otherwise it would not be tight fitting. You've got to remember that this sphere is 10 centimeters across. So the volume, of the box is equal to 1,000 centimeters cubed. Our sphere, same as before, is 523.6 centimeters cubed, because we're looking for the volume that is left, how much space is left we're taking away. So our final answer is 476.4 centimeters cubed.